How to promote affiliate links on Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with promoting affiliate links on Facebook. Now, a lot of times we think of Facebook as a old social media platform, but it is still one of the most used social media platforms out there. And I definitely do think that Facebook is something that you can use to promote any type of affiliate link, whether it's related to health and beauty, whether it is a different item like furniture, or even if you're trying to promote things like diets or supplements. All of that can be done on Facebook because it is still one of the world's largest social media platforms out there. And with Facebook, you have a guaranteed audience. So let's get started with our promotion of affiliate links using Facebook. Now, for this, first off, we need to have a affiliate link. So I am a Amazon associate. This is one way to get your affiliate links. You can sign up to become a associate on Amazon, which is the Amazon affiliation program. This basically allows you to promote any product on Amazon and you will get a commission for this. Now, for basic items, the commissions are really low, but they are really easy to sell. So you can sell things like everyday goods, makeup products, and all other types of stuff just by these simple affiliate links. If you're looking for something more high ticket, you have platforms that are specifically built for affiliate marketing, such as CPA Grip, or you also have affiliate links for things such as hosting. There are a lot of amazing hosting platforms that have affiliate programs that are high commission. So you can sign up for those. I'm going to log on to CPA Grip and I'll show you guys a variety of the different types of affiliates that you can actually find. So we're just going to verify this and then log on to our account over here. And I think we have to change up the email like this. I'm just going to log in. For some reason it's not logging on. So I'm just going to change my password. Yeah. So now that I have logged on to the CPA Grip platform, you guys can see on the left, I have dashboard, statistics, referral programs. So I have a referral program for CPA Grip itself. And then you also have different types of sections for monitoring your links. Then you have your offer tools and you can go into my offers to monitor any of the offers you're currently promoting. Now, on the top, you're going to select the location for your offer. So I'm going to go into all countries and then I can go into categories as well. So what type of affiliate I want to promote, and then we can proceed. Now, these are affiliates that are a bit more so things that I would not go for. I like to go for more higher ticket affiliates. So for that, you also have other platforms which can help you in finding those. So if I go into Bluehost affiliate, and you can go into Bluehost and you have this hosting platform that has their own affiliate link and they have super nice commissions. Their payout is really easy. So for a item like hosting, the way that I like to promote hosting is that I'm going to go on to a Facebook group. So the way that you're going to do this is go into the Facebook search bar, and in your search bar, you're going to search for the group in that niche. So who would be the people that are looking for web hosting? Let's say this is going to be website developer or website design, or let's say newbie website developing. And then once I do that, I'm going to go into groups and click on see all. Now I see a bunch of different groups that are related to website development. Now, these people are probably already looking for hosting for their website because they are already web developers. And I can offer my particular affiliate as a solution to their issues. So if I go into website and WordPress developer, you guys can see there are a bunch of different posts over here, but what you can do is you can take a look at some of the different posts and then you can reply to their posts as well. So there are a bunch of different answers in this. Now I can comment over here and comment like, hey, I don't know of a complete developer, but if you want to develop your website yourself, then you can always check out the Bluehost hosting, etc., whatever you want to type in. So, type in a reply and then you can add your affiliate. So whatever my affiliate is, bluehost.com/affiliate, like this. Whatever link you actually have, you're actually going to add that. You're not just going to add a random link. You're going to sign up or join their affiliate team and then use your own link that you will receive. Now, this is for affiliates for things like hosting. But what about if you are going for a more diverse niche like Amazon Associates? Now, Amazon Associates is really nice because it allows you to promote any niche that you like. And if you already are active in a group, or if you have a lot of knowledge in any particular niche, you can find a good product to promote. So if I go into Amazon and I want to promote wellness related products, so I'm just going to go into wellness. And I have books, I have a bunch of different things, but I'm just going to search for a larger item. I want expensive items that I can promote. So I'm going to go for price high to low. And if I scroll down, we have, so this is a pet stroller, which is a really great item to promote because people are going to buy this and it's going to be a great thing to promote because the commission on this is going to be pretty high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto Facebook, and then when I go onto Facebook, I'm going to search for animal lovers or dog lovers. And then I'm going to go into groups. And once I go into groups, I can see a bunch of groups. Now, to filter this out further, I can search in a specific location. So I'm going to go into places on the left, and you will see a bunch of these places as well. But if I scroll down in my groups, I'm going to choose groups or, cities. I can type in cities. So let's say only my affiliates that are in the US would qualify. I can enter the town or city. Or let's say I'm looking for Maryland dog. And then I'm going to go into groups. And then we have a bunch of these groups. So Frederick MD, dog lovers, and this is a public group. I can go into this particular group and I can type in a post and I can, interact with a couple of the members. I don't recommend that you spam every single group that you see. Make sure to have a couple of interactions and then promote your link instead of just straight up spamming your link everywhere. If you begin to spam your link everywhere, it is very likely that Facebook is going to blacklist you and then you wouldn't be able to post in public groups. So make sure you're not just spamming your link ahead and link and link and link over and over again. Instead, make sure to always have some kind of interaction. So you can go on ahead and promote in specific regions as well if you're trying to get sales in that region, because certain affiliates are limited to that. Now, you have a bunch of different affiliate marketing platforms out there where you can get high ticket affiliates, and the higher ticket affiliate it is, the easier it is for you to earn, because you're going to earn even by one sale. If you're earning $100, is going to be far more worthwhile than earning $1 or $2 on 10 sales. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with promoting your affiliate links on Facebook. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.